However, as we've been talking about this, Anand, this is some sort of closure, but it is going to be a long legal battle ahead because the Talwars have already made it clear that they're likely to fight this case further. In fact, also joining us at this point in time is Poonam. Poonam, now, as far as the CBI is concerned, they managed to get a conviction today, but it doesn't end there. The Talwars have made it amply clear that they're likely to go ahead and move the Allahabad High Court in this case.
Certainly, CBI will be fighting the case till the Supreme Court, as Nupur Talwar and Rajesh Talwar, they will not stop till they feel that they have got justice. I have spoken to several officers related to this case who have investigated the case ever since CBI got this case. In fact, most of them say that they welcome the judgment of the court, but at the same time, they also are saddened for the reason that on humanitarian grounds they feel sad that the parents are now being convicted. They say that it's a unique case as far as the investigation is concerned, because certainly one of the major reasons why CBI filed a closure in this case, because there wasn't any direct evidence against the parents. But let's not also forget the fact that the circumstantial evidences were there, but till now the motive of the murders are not known to anybody. Even in the court, this has not come out what prompted the parents to kill Arushi. We have found that today the court has convicted both the parents for killing Arushi. But what was the reason? What prompted parents kill? What happened that night from 10:30 till morning 6 a.m.? What happened between Arushi, Hemraj and parents is something still not known. So